Good morning, students. Let us study today about the mitochondria and lysosomes. So, in the previous class, we have studied about Golgi body or Golgi complex. So, let us study today about another structure, that is lysosome. Lysosome. So, what is this lysosome? Lysosome is one of the cell organelle. It is also present inside the cell. So daily one organelle which is present in the cell we are studying. Like we have finished studying about nucleus. We have studied about the not chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum. We have studied Golgi complex. So like the cell membrane, like these different organelles we have studied. Today we will study about lysosomes. So, what is a lysosome? Lysosome is a structure which is present inside the cell. What is its use? It is the one which contains enzymes, and this is a tiny particle which you can see in the cell cytoplasm. So, let us, lysosome is a tiny particle. Tiny means small. Tiny particle present in the cell cytoplasm. So this is present in the cell cytoplasm. Initially, this was thought that it is a very small particle and where are the enzymes found. They thought that it is present in the cell, but these destructive enzymes are present not in the cell, but they are present in the lysosome. So what does lysosome contain? Lysosome contains destructive enzymes. Destructive means damaging enzymes. Enzymes which can damage. Destructive enzymes are present in the lysosome. Now, what is the use of destructive enzymes? The use of destructive enzymes is if there is any material that has to be destroyed by the cell, then these enzymes will come into action. So, destructive enzymes are used to destroy, they will help in destroying the material present in the cell. Like any proteins have to be digested or any unwanted material has to be digested, then the lysosomes will help the cell to digest them and throw it outside the cell. So how they are damaging the materials which are present in the cell? They are producing enzymes, and these enzymes are damaging the materials which are present in the cell. So is it not good to have some enzyme producing cell organelles which will damage the unwanted materials in the cell? Yes, because if unwanted materials are there in the cell will become toxic. So instead of cell becoming toxic, if any damaging material is there, if that is cleaned out of the cell, then it is good, right? So digestive enzymes are produced by the lysosomes, and they will digest the materials which are unwanted in the cell, and they will release them outside the cell after digestion. So sometimes these lysosomes, they release the enzymes outside the cell also. They release enzymes outside the cell. So they contain the enzymes, and these enzymes are produced outside the cell and they will damage the unwanted materials. Because these lysosomes are producing digestive enzymes, you call them as suicidal bags of the cell. So lysosomes are called as suicidal bags of the cell. Suicide means they will kill themselves. So here also, if any unwanted material is there, they will kill the unwanted materials by producing the enzyme. So you call them as suicidal bags of the cell. Like, think that this is lysosome. This is lysosome. So what does lysosome do? If any unwanted material is there, it will produce the digestive enzyme like this. So this is the digestive enzyme. This is the material, unwanted material. This one is the lysosome. So lysosome produces digestive enzymes and it will damage the material and it will throw it outside the cell. It will throw it outside the cell. So this is the function of the lysosomes. So lysosomes are very, very important. They are maintaining the cell by cleaning the destructive materials which are present in the cell. They are very tiny particles which are present in the cell cytoplasm. These materials which are present, generally they do not come in contact with the rest of the cell. They will kill the materials which are present inside the cell, unwanted materials which are present inside the cell. So you call them as suicidal bags of the cell. This is one of the important question. What are the suicidal bags of the cell? Lysosomes are the structures which are suicidal bags of the cell because they kill the materials which are not required by the cells. So in the next class we will study about the mitochondria.